What's up everyone? So in today's video, we are going to install a aftermarket steering wheel and aftermarket hub onto the CLK. The stock steering wheel is just a little worn, and plus having an aftermarket one, I wanted one in there. So I'm just gonna run down quick and dirty on how to do it, and let's just see how it goes. If you guys are new to the channel, I have a CLK55 AMG that I bought from auction about, I think, 7 or 8 months ago. Sight unseen, had it shipped here. I guess it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. And then put a wide body kit or slash fender flare kit on it from Monster Service, and also manual swapped it. That's pretty much the rundown of that car. So let's go ahead and get to installing the steering wheel. And for record, this is what the stock steering wheel looks like right now. It just, everything else looks good apart from I guess the second part from up top. So it's not there anymore. I think this used to be white. So yeah, I'm undoing the airbag screws now. I just have it tilted like this so I can access it from behind here. You guys can see, very DIY way of showing y'all, but whatever. It's really easy. I've actually done it before on my other CLK. So now this should be able to come off. Yep. Make sure you disconnect your battery when you do this. All right, now that the airbag is removed, we just have to undo this hex. I don't know what size it is, but I'm about to find out. Just impact it off, and yeah, go from there. So I ended up having, I ended up breaking this, the adapter. As you can see here, not entirely too surprised. I used a chrome adapter on, on an impact. Using this, it's actually modified. I actually modified this over here for the flywheel. So it's actually a T55, sorry. Using an impact on this, I got it out. This is the bolt. And so, should be able to just pull this. I just keep it straight. I'm gonna try and yank it off. You just have to tug on it, and it should come right out, so we'll see here. I think now we just gotta keep undoing and undo these screws, and go from there. Once you remove those two screws, you're able to undo this, and from here you can put your adapter or whatever on. Just slide it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see how deep it goes. It doesn't have to be too tight, because last time I made it too tight and it made the steering a little too firm because it was bottoming me out. Because this is not really specific. This is more of like a Mercedes-Benz 66 spline adapter. Also there's this thing too, so we'll see. So now that we have it in, all we gotta do now is screw it in. It's really pretty easy to install. So when you do this, make sure you do torque it down pretty good. This is pretty important aspect of your steering, so hopefully it still feels good when I try and turn the steering wheel. I didn't tighten it too much, I hope. Just torque it just the right amount. I think it's like 60 foot-pounds or something like that. Yeah, so let me go ahead and put the steering wheel on here. Unfortunately, I cannot put the horn in. The way this horn is designed, it's a little too thick. The hub has this lip over here, and basically this just doesn't fit in there at all, which sucks because it looks way better with the horn. But it is what it is. Wow, it looks so good. Mindful that this is just temporary. I did order it's basically like it basically looks like kind of like a Momo steering wheel. Like it's a 3-spoke, but it's flat. It's not like a deep dish. I don't really want a deep dish in this steering wheel. Just, I mean, in this car, it looks. Make sure all these are tightened. I actually had a continuation that I want to do on this video. I wanted to install a quick release on it. Unfortunately, with the hub adapter that I purchased, it has this little lip at basically the section where you bolt the steering wheel on, which prevents a lot of things like me being able to install some of these quick releases. I actually ordered both the 2.0 version of the NRG quick release and the slim version. And the rear section of it, for the slim one, protrudes inside of the actual hub, so it wouldn't work, because it just, you know, it doesn't have enough space for it to seat all the way down. And for the normal 2.0 NRG hub, that would have worked if the hub adapter didn't have that little lip on it. So I could have like maybe slimmed it down. I mean, I could have maybe like machined the hub down, but that was already a little bit too much work. I'm better off. I mean, I guess I could do it, but that's when I did some more digging and I found a couple more hub adapters that could potentially work for our cars. Like I found one by Momo that they make for the W210, but also works for the W201. So, and the hub adapter that I purchased for this car for the W208 is from a W201. So there could be potentially some more options that we could use. And yeah, so I just thought I'd add that in there. I can throw a couple clips about the energy stuff. Unfortunately, I wasn't able really to use any of the quick releases. I mean, it's fine if I wasn't able to install a quick release. I mean, it just makes getting in and out of the car a little bit easier. Plus, mostly I just kind of wanted it. So that's pretty much it on that. I'll put a link below on some of the other quick releases that you could get. The first one will be the one that I have and the one I've used for my other CLK as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's short and quick, but I did see a lot of comments on my previous video, people asking about the steering wheel stuff. I guess it's just not really a common thing that people with our cars do. So I just thought I had the videos already, so. Let me know in the comments below also which steering wheel you like most. Do you like the Volante suede one, or do you like the Momo one? Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time. Peace. Stay safe.